In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your business email to your Shopify store. This is an essential step in streamlining your customer communications and ensuring your online store operates seamlessly, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account and are on the Shopify homepage. From here, look towards the lower left corner of your screen and click on the Settings option. This will take you to a screen where all the crucial configurations for your store are located. It's important to become familiar with this area, as it holds all your general settings and other essential store details. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a section labeled General. Go ahead and click there. What you're looking at now is your store's details page. Here, you have access to essential information and settings about your store. You'll see an item labeled Store Details. Under this, you'll find an icon that looks like a pencil. Clicking on this icon will allow you to edit your store information. This editing feature is vital because it's where you'll be able to input your business email and phone number, ensuring all your business communications are directed appropriately. Spend a few moments here, ensuring all details are accurate and represent your current business needs. Take note to double-check that your email is correctly typed, as this will be the main communication link between you and your customers. Once you have entered your business email and confirmed all the details are accurate, your next step is to save these changes. You'll find a Save button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will securely upload and confirm your new settings. Following this, it's always a good practice to check your email immediately after saving your changes. You'll want to look for any confirmation emails from Shopify about the update to your business email. Remember, confirming this step is crucial to ensuring all your business communications are seamless and avoiding any missed opportunities or important messages from your customers and Shopify itself. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect your business email to your Shopify store. Configuring this correctly can significantly impact your store's operation by streamlining communication, which is vital for maintaining strong customer relationships. If you have any questions or experience any issues during this process, remember that Shopify's help resources are a valuable tool to provide further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your online retail management a little bit easier.